अभिषेक अग्रवाल. अभिषेक अग्रवाल. अभिषेक अग्रवाल.
Yes, sir.
Just turn on your camera, Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you have any problem related to the course?
Yes, sir. Currently, I am revising the course. So, if I have any query, then I will ask you.
अभी अभी कैसे कर सकते हो रिवाइज? How can you complete your revision within the class this 1 hour?
No, sir. Till the chapter I have read, I have no query.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Aditya Pandey.
Yes, sir.
Turn on your camera.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you have you? I think I have seen you earlier also in the previous class.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. You have got any problem?
No, sir. Till today, sir, I have not problem. Sir, but sir,
Okay.
I think, sir, last few lectures, sir, you are not uploading some material, so I have not revised that.
You have listened or not?
Yes, sir, I have listened, sir. In
You
that, sir, I have.
You have video lectures or not? You have the recording is always there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have.
Sir, I attended, sir, all the classes, but sir, you have not, sir. Actually, some material, sir, was not there, so I am not revised.
Pertaining to what? Please let me know which title, which topic you need the material or you want that the material could not be uploaded. It is good suggestion. Please
Sir,
let me note down.
Sir, like sir, last two, sir, sir, the screenshot of sir, important, sir, books, sir, which you have, sir, like sir, method of, sir, removing the particulate matter, sir, like that. Sir, you have, sir, given certain techniques. So, sir, that specific topic, sir, if I get, then, sir, it will be easy to revise and very concise.
Okay. So, removal of the particulate matters.
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
I think, sir, first 3 chapters, actually, sir, you have provided.
Okay. Let other. Thank you, Aditya. Alia Sabir.
Thank you, sir.
Alia Sabir. Amisha Sinha.
Yes, sir.
Turn on your camera, and if you have any suggestions, any problem, any query.
Okay, sir, just a second. Yes, sir. I have no queries as such.
Okay, no suggestions, no query.
No, I have no query right now.
Okay, thank you, Amisha.
Thank you, sir.
Ananya Patil.
Yes.
Do you have any? Please turn on your camera, Ananya.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you have any problem? I think I have. Last time you have also shown your turn on your camera.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah. Thank you. Do you have any problems? Any suggestions?
No, sir. No such.
Okay. Thank you. Ashish Goyal.
Yes, sir.
I think Ashish Goyal.
Yes, sir.
टर्न ऑन करो कैमरा यार, इतना टाइम नहीं लगता है भाई। सबको कहना थोड़ी चाहिए, मैं जैसे ही नाम बुलाता हूँ यू जस्ट टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा एंड टेल एनी सजेशंस, एनी प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड टू दिस क्लास, बिकॉज फ्रॉम माय एंड इफ द सिलेबस इज कंप्लीटेड नाउ।
Sir, I have no such queries now.
Turn on your camera.
Sir, I have turned on.
Okay. हाँ, आशीष गोयल, थैंक यू। आशुतोष अवस्थी। आशुतोष अवस्थी।
Yes, sir.
Any query, any suggestions?
No, sir. No, sir.
आप दिख नहीं रहे हो?
Sir, am I visible?
No. हाँ, अभी आ रहा है. हाँ, now you are visible. Now you are Ashutosh Awasthi. Okay. Any doubt, any query, any suggestions?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. I think you have got the notification related to the on Saturday quiz or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Then Choda Varukut Ruchita. 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 Deepika Rani. Deepika Rani.
Yes, sir. Sir, I don't have any problem, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Dhanraj Chaurasia. Dhanraj Chaurasia. Dhanraj Chaurasia. Dhanraj Chaurasia. Divyans Narayan. Divyans Agrawal. Divyans Narayan. Divyans Agrawal. If the student is living just to avoid or just to, you can say, क्या कहते हैं इसको, एक वर्ड है, आई एम नॉट रिमेम्बरिंग वेल. ऐसा ना करें, क्योंकि अगर आप लीव करेंगे बीच में से क्लास से और अकॉर्डिंग टू द अटेंडेंस आपके टीचर असेसमेंट मार्क्स होने हैं, तो आप ये सोचिए कि आज हम ऐसे बच जाएंगे तो ठीक है, आप अपना नंबर कटवा लीजिए, क्या करना. अगर ऐसे लीव करेंगे क्लास से, आई एम ऑब्जर्विंग दैट फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स आर लीविंग दैट, कि हमको जरूरत ना पड़े ऐसे वीडियो करने से. गगन गुप्ता. दिव्यांश अग्रवाल. दिव्यांश नारायण.
Yes, sir.
दिव्यांश अग्रवाल. दिव्यांशु अग्रवाल.
Yes, sir. I've opened my video.
Yeah. Okay. You have any problem?
Sir, can you please explain the concept of carrying capacity and its relation with the sustainability?
Okay. Just now. So, if you want, do you have attended? Do you have any idea about it?
Yes, sir. I have attended that lecture, but it was in the starting, so that
It was not in the starting. It was in the midway.
Yes, sir. Like in the third or fourth week.
Yeah. So it was not in
Yes,
the
sir.
starting.
Sir, I was
I
there,
had
but
shown the graph, and
yes, sir.
according to this relationship between the carrying capacity and the sustainable development, I have cited many examples also, like river Ganga ecosystem of the river Ganga and other terrestrial ecosystem. The air pollution at the carrying capacity, impacts of the carrying capacity of the air pollution or any water pollution of the carrying capacity of any ecosystem. And if the carrying capacity is slowed down or it is hampered, then certainly the sustainable development will be under questions, or sustainability of that resource will be under question. So the carrying capacity is very important. Let me just talk to others also, then I will certainly cover this aspect today itself. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
So, Gagan Gupta, I had met you last time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you have any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Goja Sri Maurya. Goja Sri Maurya. Goja
Yes, sir.
Sri Maurya.
Sir, visible, sir?
Still not? Yeah, now you are visible, very much visible. Do you have any suggestions, any problem, any query?
No, sir. Everything is good, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Harshita. Kale, Pali, Sai, Teja. Harshita Agrawal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ. Kale Pali, Sai, Teja.
Yes, sir.
Turn on your camera.
Hello.
Captain Singh. Kaptan
Hello.
Singh. Turn on your camera. Yeah. Kalapai Sai Teja.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am looking you. Do you have any problem, any suggestions, any query related to this subject?
No, sir.
No.
Everything is
Everything is
okay.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Harshita, thank you. Thank you, Teja.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Harshita,
Yes, sir.
turn on your camera.
Sir, it's on.
Now it is on. Now it is on. Okay. Do you have any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you. कैप्टन सिंह.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, आप कैप्टन सिंह हो.
Kaptan Singh.
हाँ, कप्तान सिंह. और तेज. हमने सोचा यू आर कलपाई साई तेजा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. साई तेजा, I could not see you.
Am I?
Yeah. Now, Sai Teja, I am looking you. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Very good. So, is there any problem related to the subject?
No, sir. Everything is fine, sir.
Oh, very good. Do you not have any problem?
No, sir.
Very good. Okay. So, Krishna Soni, Kartik Deepak Dange,
Yes, sir.
Kartik Deepak Dange, Krishna Soni. Turn on your camera quickly.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, जरा तेजी से काम करिए भाई. टाइम नहीं है अभी, बहुत लोग हैं.
Yes, sir.
Kartik Deepak
Yes, sir.
Dange. Yeah, Kartik Deepak.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Is there any problem to you
No,
related
sir.
to this subject, related to this course, environment and climate change?
No, sir. Not at the moment.
Very good. Krishna Soni. Thank you, Kartik.
Okay, sir.
Krishna Soni.
Yes, sir.
नीतीश कुमार. दोनों एक साथ आप कर सकते हो ना. दोनों का नाम बुला रहा हूँ स्टूडेंट्स का. दोनों एक
सर
साथ
मैंने
वीडियो
किया
अपलोड
है.
कर.
मैंने किया है सर.
कृष्णा सोनी आपने किया है?
Yes, sir.
So now Krishna Soni, you are visible now.
Okay.
How are you, Krishna?
Good, sir.
Very good. So, is there any problem related to the course? Any doubt? Any query?
No, sir. Currently not.
Okay, it means little bit attention has been given to this course.
Actually, sir, I have not read all the material now.
You?
I haven't read all the material, sir,
Okay.
that you provided.
Okay. You are not ready.
Yes, sir.
Chitish Kumar. Thank you, Krishna. Chitish Kumar.
Thanks.
Yes, sir.
Mayank Nishad. Chitish Kumar, Mayank Nishad. Turn on karo video. Yeah. Chitish Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Lot of books are behind you. So I hope you are studying very continuously and you are devoting much time to your study. Is there any problem related to the subject?
No, sir.
Is there any problem?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Kshitish, Mayank, Kishore. Mayank, Kishore. Mayank, Kishore. Mohammed.
Sir,
Sir, I am
yeah,
audible now.
you are audible but not visible.
Sir, I have opened my camera, but I don't know why
Ah,
not visible.
Mayank, Kishore.
sir,
Yeah, bolo bhai.
sir, this is Bharat. Sir, sorry, sir, I have some guests at my home now, so can I leave, sir?
Yeah, you can. Mayank, Kishore.
Thank you,
Mayank,
sir. Thank you.
Sir, now I am visible.
Yeah, you are visible. You are very much visible, man.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
have any problem, any suggestions, any query related to this environment and climate change?
No, sir.
Okay. So you have studied or you have not touched it all to this subject?
Yes, sir. Studying.
Okay, good. Mohammed Akif Suhail.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Mohammed Akif Suhail.
Yes, sir.
Mrityunjay Kumar. Mohammed
Yes, sir.
Akif Suhail. Mrityunjay
Sir,
Kumar. मृत्युंजय कुमार.
Yes, sir.
दोनों लोग टर्न ऑन करो वीडियो. आकिब सुहेल, मोहम्मद आकिब सुहेल एंड मृत्युंजय कुमार, बोथ टर्न ऑन योर वीडियो.
sir, on है.
ऑन नहीं है.
Sir, मेरा on है. मेरा कैमरा ऑन है.
मृत्युंजय कुमार
Yes, sir.
कहाँ है? कैमरा आपका ऑन ही नहीं है.
Camera on. Camera on.
मुकेश कुमार राठौर, मोहम्मद आकिब सुहेल एंड मृत्युंजय कुमार, आपको कैमरा नहीं ऑन हुआ, आपका आप ऑन करो. तो दोनों लोगों का. मुकेश कुमार राठौर. नाउ मृत्युंजय कुमार.
Yes, sir.
Camera, now you are visible. Show your face little bit upper side. Still half of the face is only coming to me. कैमरे को सही पोजीशन पे रखो, आपका पूरा चेहरा नहीं आ रहा. हाँ, now you are visible. Okay, मृत्युंजय कुमार, thank you. मुकेश कुमार राठौर, नमन सिंह.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, राठौर, मुकेश कुमार राठौर. Turn on your camera. नमन सिंह.
Yes, sir.
करिए कैमरा ऑन पे. नमन सिंह is visible now. How are you, Naman?
Good, sir.
How is your subject, environment and climate change? Is there any problem related to the subject? Is there any query, doubt,
No, sir. As of
questions? No. Thank you. मुकेश कुमार राठौर.
Yes, sir.
आप कैमरा ऑन नहीं हुआ अभी तक.
Sir, already on.
नो, कहीं नहीं है. आपका ऑलरेडी ऑन कहाँ है? आप ऑन है लेकिन कैमरा ऑन थोड़ी है.
Sir, now.
नो, एक बार ऑफ करके ऑन करो, हो सकता है. नारायण राव.
Sir, now I am visible.
No. नारायण राव. पाड्या चित्रलेखा.
Sir.
हाँ.
Sir, am I visible?
No. Navadu Narayan Rao is not visible. Padya Chitralekha.
Sir, now I am visible. Sir, Mukesh Kumar Rathore.
Yeah, Mukesh Kumar Rathore. You are visible now.
Yes,
देखा,
sir.
मैंने कहा ना कि एक बार आप करके आन करो. नाउ यू आर विजिबल. कोई समस्या है आपको?
No, sir.
कोई कंफ्यूजन, कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
बढ़िया. ओके. नमन सिंह, थैंक यू. मुकेश.
Thank you,
नमन,
sir.
नमन सिंह. सर नमन सिंह तो आया था. नवाडू नारायण राव, प्रिंस यादव. नहीं, नमन सिंह थैंक यू. नवाडू नारायण राव, प्रिंस यादव, प्रियांशु गुप्ता.
Sir, am I visible?
प्रिंस.
Yes, sir.
प्रिंस पैक वाले. प्रिंस यादव. Do you have any suggestions, any problem, any doubt related to the subject? Prince,
Yes,
I am audible? Prince, very good. Priyanshu Gupta. Do you
Yes,
have
sir.
any problem?
No, sir. Everything is all right, sir.
Everything all right? You have not gone through the materials or subjects lecture?
Yes, sir. Some of the part I have covered, some is remaining.
Okay, thank you. So,
Thank you, sir.
Priyanshu Gupta. Thank you, Priyanshu. Priya K. Kaneria, Rahul Tosniwal. Priya
Yes,
K.
sir.
Kaneria.
Am I visible?
Still not.
Am I visible, sir?
आप कहाँ विजिबल हैं? अभी तो विजिबल नहीं. You are not visible at all. Rahul Tosniwal.
Yes, sir.
Rahul Tosniwal.
Yes, sir. Am I visible, sir?
No. अभी तो नहीं हो, आने वाले हो लगता है. विजिबल होने वाले हो. हाँ, now you are visible. Do you have any problem, any suggestions, any query, Rahul?
No, sir.
No. कैसा लगा सब्जेक्ट है?
सर अच्छा सब्जेक्ट है सर, काफी प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज मिलती है सर.
प्रैक्टिकल इसमें कहाँ है?
मतलब सर
हाँ, डे टू डे लाइफ के लिए नॉलेज मिलती है, ये बात है. डे टू डे.
Sir, Priya here. Am I visible?
Yeah, Priya. Yeah, Priya, you are visible. Very good. So how
Yes.
are you, Priya?
Yes, sir. I'm amazing. So, like, the subject was really like interesting. It was the fun subject.
So was there any problem related to teaching or any communication which
No,
you could
sir. No
not
problem in anything. No problem.
which made you people difficult to understand?
No, sir. It was very easy to understand and catch
Rahul
up.
Kusinwal, from your side?
yes, it is easy, sir. Understood.
Okay. Thank you both. Thank you, Priya.
Thank you
and
so much, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Rajdeep Tiwari and Raman Jingar.
Sir, I am visible.
Raman Jingar. Rajdeep Tiwari. Raman Jingar is not visible. होने वाले होंगे. अभी तो नहीं हो visible. अभी visible नहीं है आप.
Sir, am I visible?
No, both are Rajdeep and Raman. Both are not visible, but both have. एक बार आप करके ऑन करो, शायद हो जाए.
Sir, now? So now it is.
No. अभी तो आया नहीं.
Sir, am I visible?
Rajdeep. Ah,
Yes.
Rajdeep, now you are visible. Very good. You have just rotated your cap some direction.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For what purpose? It is indicating something. That
No,
class
sir.
is over now. Because
No,
you have
sir.
just changed the dimension of your cap.
So, bus, I was wearing. Sir, I am visible now. Sir.
Raman Jingar. Yeah, you are also visible. Just raise the face. Yeah, very good. Very good. So is there any problem, any doubt, any clarifications you need or sought from my side pertaining to this environment and
No.
climate change?
No queries.
No, sir. Completely fine, sir.
Completely fine. But your cap is indicating something which I could understand, and I can link that now in the syllabus is over. And when the cap was on the front side, syllabus was going on. When the cap is just rotated, it means syllabus is completed. Now you get rid of this subject. So both of you, thank you very much. It is my style. I style of teaching because I sometimes because I enjoy, and I think that students should also enjoy while studying. It should know, you should never feel that it is a very boring or cumbersome or overloaded. So thank you both.
It makes very interesting.
Pardon?
Sir, it makes the subject very interesting.
Okay. Thank you both, Rajdeep and Raman. Thank you. Ravi Sharma. Ravi
Am I
Sharma
visible, sir?
and Riya Prajapati.
So am I visible?
रवि शर्मा अभी नहीं बेटा, अभी तो शायद फिर से आप करके याद करो, शायद आ जाओ. रिया प्रजापति. संतोष कुमार.
Hello.
Yeah.
Am I visible, sir?
No, not just still not. Yeah, now you are visible, Riya. Is there any problem? Any? Hello.
So am I visible?
Hello.
Riya, I was asking something from you. I was asking that is there any doubt, any clarifications, any questions from your side? Any?
No, sir. No, sir. Currently, I don't have any doubt.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Ravi Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Well,
Sir, am I visible?
okay. No. अब आने वाले हो गए. हाँ. Now you are visible. So, is there any problem? Any suggestions? Any query?
No, sir.
No. क्यों? तुमको तो मुंह सूख रहा है तुम्हारा, इसका मतलब तुम्हारा सब्जेक्ट कंप्लीट नहीं है.
नहीं सर.
हाँ, पढ़ो. अब एग्जाम कब से है?
हेलो.
संतोष कुमार, सारंश जैन, सार्थक पेंटा. संतोष कुमार.
Yes, sir.
Turn on your camera, Saransh Jain.
Sir, am I visible?
Saransh Jain. अब आने वाले हो. Now you are visible, Saransh. Good. So, how are you?
Sir, fine, sir.
Fine. How is subject?
Sir, good, sir. It's nice.
Okay. So, do you have any suggestions, any problem, any query?
No, sir. No problem, sir.
Was the course completed in a good time manner, or you had a problem during the class?
No, sir. It was completed in sufficient time. It was
Okay.
nice.
Thank you. Santosh Kumar. Thank
Yes,
you,
sir.
हाँ.
I am audible, sir.
हाँ, अभी तो नहीं आए. सार्थक पेंटा. सर्वेश कुमार यादव.
Now visible, sir.
संतोष कुमार.
Yes, sir.
अभी तो नहीं आया बेटा.
Hello, sir.
हाँ जी.
Am I visible?
सार्थक पेंटा.
Yes, sir.
No. What is the problem? Somebody is coming.
Wait a minute.
Huh?
I think, sir, network issue, sir.
Okay.
Now am I visible, sir?
So, no problem. Just I Sarthak and Santosh, from both of you I am asking, do you have any problem, any query, any doubt, any suggestions? Yeah, Santosh Kumar, you are visible now. Do you have any problem?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Any suggestions?
No, sir. It's okay, sir.
Okay. So thank you both, Santosh Kumar and Sarthak. Sarvesh
Thank you,
Kumar
sir.
Yadav. Sarvesh Kumar Yadav and Satyam Kumar. Sarvesh Kumar Yadav, Satyam Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sarvesh Kumar Yadav, Satyam Kumar.
Yes, sir.
You are not visible. Satyam Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Still. Saurabh Kumar, Sarvesh Kumar Yadav. Do you have any problem, any question, any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Satyam Kumar,
Yes, sir.
you have raised the hand.
तब आपने कहा कि वो मेरे नहीं दिख रहा है वीडियो.
Hmm? Okay, Satyam Kumar, you are visible now. Do you have any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Any suggestions?
No, sir.
Okay. Saurabh Kumar is also visible. Saurabh, do you have any problem, any suggestions, any query, any doubt? Saurabh. Shaurya Shankar Dikshit.
Yes, sir.
Sir, am I visible? Shubham Kushwaha.
Sir.
Hello.
Yeah, Saurabh,
Yes.
I have listened you. I have seen you. Do you have any suggestions, any problem?
Hello.
Sir, am I visible?
Shubham
Sir, am I
Kushwaha.
visible?
Yes, sir.
And Shaurya Shankar Dikshit. Saurabh Kumar, you may turn off your camera. Saurabh Kumar. Saurabh Kumar, आप कैमरा
Okay,
बंद कर
sir.
सकते हो. Shaurya
Sir, am I-
Shankar Dikshit. Shubham
Yes, sir.
Kushwaha.
Yes,
Sir, am I visible?
No.
Okay.
एक बार और turn off करके
Okay,
turn
sir.
on.
Am I
Sir, now?
visible, sir?
Hmm.
Sir, now, sir, I am
Do
visible.
you have any problem, any suggestions, Shubham?
No, sir. No such problem, sir.
Shaurya?
Yes, sir, am I visible?
Yeah, do you have any suggestions, any problem? Yeah,
No,
Shaurya
no,
Shankar
sir.
Dikshit is visible now. So,
Sir, no problems.
okay.
Sir, am I
It is
okay with?
subject you are fine, you are okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sohan Ramesh, thank you. Sohan Ramesh
Thank you, sir.
Kumar.
Thank you, sir.
Sohan Ramesh Malekar.
Sir, am I visible?
Sohan Ramesh Malekar. You may be visible within a moment, I think. Hello.
Yes. Am I visible, sir?
You are visible. Sohan Ramesh Malekar, you are visible. You are visible? Yeah. You are visible. Do you have any problem, any suggestions, Sohan?
No, sir, I don't have any problems, sir, till now.
Okay. So study carefully and sincerely so that you can do the very well in the examination. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Waladu Krishna Megha. Waladu Krishna Meghna.
Yes, sir. Am I visible?
You may be, yeah, you are visible. So do you have any suggestions, any problem, any query?
No, sir. I don't have any.
Okay, thank you, Krishna.
Okay, sir.
Vijay Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Vijay Kumar.
I am visible.
हाँ, yeah, you are very much visible. विजय कुमार, कोई डाउट है आपको, कोई क्वेश्चन है, कोई सब इन्वायरमेंट क्लाइमेट चेंज से रिलेटेड कोई डाउट, कोई क्लैरिफिकेशंस, एनी डाउट, एनी प्रॉब्लम?
No query, sir.
Pardon?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yatharth Dingra.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yugal Patidar. Yatharth Dingra. Yatharth,
Yes, sir.
do you have any query, any doubt,
No, sir.
any suggestion?
No, sir.
How did you feel the completion of the syllabus and the entire course?
It was good, sir.
Pardon?
Good, sir. It was good with fine pace
Okay.
and completion.
Thank you, Yatharth. Yugal Patidar.
Yes, I am visible.
Yugal Patidar.
Sir, am I visible?
No, still not.
Sir, now?
अभी तक तो नहीं आए. एक बार टर्न ऑफ करके ऑन करो.
Sir. Sir, am I visible now?
And then
Yes, sir, I have. Yes, sir, I have do that. I have done that, sir. Am I visible now, sir?
Still not.
Now I am visible.
Let me. No. Yeah. Now you are visible. So how
Yes,
are
sir.
you? Yugal?
Sir, fine, sir. Fine, sir.
Where are you? MP.
Sir, voice is not audible. Please pardon.
Where you are now?
I am, sir. And in which place I am living, sir? Dungarpur, Rajasthan.
Okay. No, right. Okay. So do you have any suggestions, any query, any doubt, any problem related to the environment and climate change?
No, sir. No query and no problem.
Okay. So I think it is over now because most of the students are maximum all the students have been integrated. Ayurveda Saraswat.
यस सर मेरा नहीं हुआ सर.
हाँ आप नहीं हुआ तो आप थे ही नहीं तो कहाँ से होगा अभी आए हो. चलो
सर वो 2 मिनट लेट हो गया.
हाँ चलो आओ. Ayurveda. How are you?
यस सर फाइन. सर मेरे 2 सजेशन है सर.
हाँ बोलिए वेरी गुड. मैं नोट कर रहा हूँ. बोलो.
सर एक सजेशन है कि इस सब्जेक्ट के कोर्स में सर थोड़े और वीडियोस और ऐसा सर इंटरेक्शन अगर होता ना सर वो थोड़ा और अच्छा रहता. मतलब कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में अगर वीडियोस देखने मिलते जैसे कैसा मतलब पॉल्यूशन कैसे इफेक्ट करता है वो
वेरी
सब.
गुड.
और सर जब ऑफलाइन कोर्स हो या फिर हमें जब कॉलेज में बुलाएं तो सर एक इकोलॉजी ट्रिप भी होनी चाहिए सर बैच की जिसमें सर इंडस्ट्री में लेके दिखाया जाए कि कैसे पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल किया जाता है या फिर कैसे वाटर रिसोर्सेज को क्या बोलते हैं पॉल्यूट होने से बचाया जा सकता है गंगा रिवर या यमुना रिवर को.
वेरी गुड सजेशन. Any other problems?
नो सर बाकी कोर्स बहुत अच्छा था सर. बहुत मजा आया सर पढ़ के.
पढ़ाने का ढंग
सर सब बढ़िया था. बहुत अच्छा लगा.
कोई ऐसा तो नहीं था कि आपके पास कन्वर्सेशन पहुंच नहीं रही थी मेरी या आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा था या कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी टीचिंग में?
नहीं सर अच्छा था. बस नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा कभी कभार रहता था सर आपकी साइड से. बाकी सब अच्छा था.
Thank you, Aditya. Thank you. Suggestions are very good and I welcome the suggestions. Yes. Therefore, I interact with the students in the last so that we can modify our in the teaching something or we can add something which he has suggested very well that some videos and which can create the feeling among the students related to this subject. Thank you. Aditi.
Welcome.
Yes, sir. Sir, I also missed the chance to be interrogated.
Okay. So now you have a chance.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do you have any problem, any suggestions, any query?
No, sir. It was all fine. Throughout the course, it was a very nice experience.
In the beginning, you were replying quite much, but later on, you kept either silent or just did not take the interest.
No, sir. I was like thorough with the course. I was just observing all the time.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, Aditi. Thank you.
Thank you
Good
very
luck
much,
to
sir.
all. Sarfraz Ansari. Sarfraz Ansari.
Yes, sir.
You have raised the hand. Please turn on your video because I am just going to take the class related to the carrying capacity because one of your colleague has asked that, sir, kindly repeat that. So I am just going to tell. Please be quick, Sarfraz. Do you have any problem? Any suggestions?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, please tell.
सर फील नहीं आती है किसी भी क्लास में पढ़ने के बाद। सर इंटरेक्शन नहीं हो पाता है कॉलेज और जो प्रोफेसर पढ़ा रहे होते हैं क्लास में, तो इंटरेक्शन नहीं होती है और फील नहीं आती है सब्जेक्ट का।
मैं तो इंटरेक्ट करने की कोशिश बहुत कर रहा था आप लोगों से।
यस सर।
Regularly in the
सारे
class.
सब्जेक्ट
Regularly in the class, I was asking, please ask the questions, but very few were coming out from the class to ask the questions.
सर लैब वाला जो मतलब है उसमें और भी सारे सब्जेक्ट हैं।
You are very much correct. Because
पढ़ने से सर कोई फायदा नहीं है सर। ऑनलाइन पढ़ने से कोई फायदा नहीं है।
Very good. Suggestions is very good because sometimes you may feel that yes, you are not able to visualize or see the practical component or the materials which are needed in the practicals or the equipment or instruments which are in the lab, and just in the virtual mode you are not able to operate it. So that's why you are very much correct on this part. But as far as
कभी-कभी नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होती है तो क्लास भी मतलब कैंसिल हो जाती है। क्लास भी कैंसिल करनी पड़ती है।
हाँ।
तो सर ऑफलाइन कब से खुलेगा? थर्ड सेमेस्टर में खुलेगा सर?
हाँ जरूर खुलेगा, जरूर खुलेगा। Be hopeful. You will certainly see the institute and you will attend the class offline. Certainly. Be hopeful. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. So let me start the carrying capacity. One of your colleague has just asked, because he has not attended the class, or he has attended but not understood. Carrying capacity based development, as he was asking that the relationship between the sustainability and the carrying capacity. So here is the consumption on the y-axis, here is the on x-axis. It is visible? The screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
So
sir.
On the y-axis is the consumption, on the x-axis is the time. This is the carrying capacity threshold. Here is the consumption of any resource. And if over the period, if it is increasing here, if you see the graph of the here, it is increasing of the population growth has taken place, and here it is the peak where it has crossed this limit, the threshold limit of the carrying capacity consumptions, and therefore this is called overshoot. This part, because it has crossed the limit of the carrying capacity, or it has rather crossed the carrying capacity of this ecosystem, and where it is declining here very rapidly. And here it is also a problem. Degraded carrying capacity means when the carrying capacity has been degraded, then the loss of this carrying capacity in this area, we cannot have the sustainable development. So where the carrying capacity was earlier, this was the carrying capacity, but later on, due to the excessive growth of the population, this carrying capacity of any ecosystem has been reduced drastically, and this is called degraded carrying. This area in the graph, it is called degraded carrying capacity. And therefore, if you look towards this cannot be, the sustainable development cannot occur in this area. So there you can have the relationship, very well established relationship, sympathetic relationship between the carrying capacity and the sustainable development. I think the student who has asked these questions, you are here?
Yes, sir.
कौन पूछा था?
Yes, sir, I am here. Divyanshu Agarwal.
Huh?
Divyanshu Agarwal.
Divyanshu. So you are looking it or not?
Yes. Yes,
Are you
sir.
getting the point or not?
Yes, sir.
So the natural factors which are affecting the carrying capacity, the flooding, global warming, desertification, loss of biodiversity, all the and climate change. Climate change is a very important factor which is affecting the carrying capacity of any ecosystem. Like if the glaciation occurs, melting of ice sheets is there, then certainly it has a direct impact on the carrying capacity of the glacial ecosystem, on the different flora and fauna, and as well as the availability of the oxygen in the atmosphere. And if you look to this graph, second graph, over the period, if it is this is the 1900, 1950, 2000, 2050 here. Year 2050 projected, the projection is there here of the millions of the tons of the different herbivores and the terrestrial animals, all these. So what will happen over this period, that there is a certain segments of the animals which will be increased very much significantly here, you see, and there will be wild animal will be diminished or drastically reduced. So this will affect the carrying capacity also of that ecosystem, because the carrying capacity is also very much well linked with the food chain or food web. So food web is directly linked with the carrying capacity of the ecosystem, and the climate change has the direct impact on the you can say this carrying capacity, and carrying capacity has a direct linkage with the sustainable development. Let me share the another screen. Is it visible? This screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is again the over time, and this is the you can say the least developed countries and less developed countries and least developed countries. Here it has been the examples have been given regarding the comparison between these two, and here it is a consumption, size of population, amount of resource each individual, and amount of resource in the ecosystem. So what is happening here, if you see, then the consumptions will increase in the less developed countries over the period. If you compare with the present in the future, then the least developed country here, this consumption will also increase. But if you compare these both, then the least developed countries will have less opportunity to have the consumption of more natural resources than the less developed countries. So this will be the difference, and due to this difference, at the global level, this environmental imbalance may occur due to this problem. So you have to link right from the beginning basic thing. What is the carrying capacity? Carrying capacity is nothing but the capacity of any ecosystem to sustain its components, its environments. Components means, suppose that I cite the example, river Ganga is there, and if the water pollution is there in the river Ganga in such a way that its carrying capacity has been reduced, that it cannot have the dissolved oxygen in such a way that all the algae or the even single-celled animals or multicellular animals, they can survive in that ecosystem, river ecosystem or river Ganga ecosystem, then that the problem, what will be the problem? Again, some harmful bacteria will be more developed in that river water, and it will again affect the human population, and then in that cycle it will affect the entire environment. So if you take the terrestrial environment, you take the under the terrestrial environment, you take the desert area, then you take the, so likewise you have the different examples, set up the ecosystem, and accordingly you describe according to this concept that what may be the relationship, what may be the problem to the natural resources, and how the sustainable development will be under question. Because sustainable development means economic, social, and anyone? Third, what is the third component? Anyone? Anyone?
Sir, environment.
Sustainable development has three components. Aditi. Aditi Verma. Goja Sri Maurya. Goja Sri Maurya.
Sir?
Yeah. What are the
Sir,
three components? Yeah.
Sir, economic, environmental, and social.
Very good. Economic, environmental, and social. So if all the three are achieved in any development process, then that process or that development is called sustainable development. But if the carrying capacity of any ecosystem is lost or reduced, then either environmental first priority, first important point, parameter rather, will be under question, that is environmental. So if the environment is under question or environmental parameters is under threats, then certainly the development of that ecosystem or that region is not going to be sustainable. So, Divyansu, you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you very much to all. Since Divyansu has read the questions that repeat the carrying capacity, concept of the carrying capacity based development, and relationship between the sustainable development and carrying capacity. It has a direct relation, sympathetic relationship between the carrying capacity and sustainable development. And if you make the development in the sustainable manner, certainly the carrying capacity will also be strengthened of any ecosystem. So both are interrelated. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.